They will forget you if you make no noise. Yet all I have these days is silence. A tree with no branches, quiet when the wind comes. I get distant and distant. I could touch the end of my metallic shell. It is not loneliness because I have love. I have found love at the edge of my festering heart. But aside from my beloved, I reveal myself to no one. My time secret as the color of my voice. All of the things that interest me have been whittled down, shrunken into a cube. The world fails at inspiring the dead. I am alive, yet far from it. I move through a cave built from the darkness of my life. The danger is in contentment. The sugar of solitude makes it desirable. I have become the ghost of my body. There is nothing new to be revealed to you. Why, then, should I not go, folding into my quietude? Listen. Outside, the many voices of the curious world. Yes, I see the snakes moving towards my feet. They prod, wanting to question me. I could hurl rocks at them, but I allow their slither. They will abandon me, assuming my stillness for death.